Guys, so this is gonna be the no smoke detector for my new home. Anyways, let's give it a test. Or this might happen. This is not going on. Ah! Yeah, you're not supposed to touch it in your home. Anyways, let's take this. So I just have show you what I put kinds of batteries, but look, it's a 9-volt battery. Is when this is a 9-volt smoke detector. 9-volt battery go to 9-volt fire alarms or smoke detectors.
Matter of fact, give you this.
Yeah, it's fire. I checked. There's fire in my house. Yeah, there's fire in my house. Yeah, don't wire to my other smoke detector. It wires to my other smoke detectors. All smoke detectors go on. It's wired up to the other ones. It's flashing. Okay, guys, bye.